The latest variant of the COVID-19 virus that is spreading in certain parts of the U.S. and Southeast Asia remains non-existent here in the homeland. And should it make its landfall here, it is expected to fizzle out and doomed to spread given the high vaccine status of the country. Our William Theo hashes over the details.
VJ had COVID during the pandemic. His father was first attacked by the deadly disease until the entire family was infected, causing them not to leave the house for almost a month.
Una nagkaroon si Papa, tapos nag-quarantine siya sa kwarto, tapos parang halos isa-isa na kaming nahawa. Sipon, ubo, tsaka walang panlasa, mga isang buwan.
He admitted he was scared by their condition, especially because many have died due to COVID.
Medyo natakot din kasi halos lahat kami nagkaroon, especially si Papa, matanda na. Yung mga pamangkin ko din, mga ilang taon pa lang, nahawa na nila yung iba. Medyo natakot din ako.
Although VJ's life was in danger once due to COVID, he is confident his family will not be attacked by COVID again because they have been vaccinated against it. This is also in accordance with the reports that different variants of COVID are being attacked at the moment, particularly in other countries. But according to the Department of Health, the public should not be worried about the reported increase in cases of the new variant of COVID-19 NB1.8.1 in the United States and some parts of Southeast Asia. The DOH said they have not recorded anyone being attacked by NB1.81 in the Philippines. Although there are still recorded COVID-19 cases in the country, they can only be classified as mild.
Tuloy-tuloy po rin ang sequencing natin, nag-iba lang po yung testing strategy. Hindi na po kasi practical ngayon na magkaroon tayo ng tests na widespread. Dahil ang COVID-19, para na lang po siyang ubot-sipon. In fact, ang ating surveillance method, kasama na po siya dun sa binabantayan sa panahon ngayon, yung ating wild diseases.
According to DOH data, there have been more than 1,000 recorded COVID cases in the Philippines from January to May 3 of this year. That is 87% less than the more than 14,000 cases last year. The recorded new COVID cases have also decreased in the past 3 to 4 weeks. The COVID fatality rate in the Philippines is only 1.13% or only 1 in every 100 dies. Despite this, the agency continues to remind in maintaining hygiene such as washing hands,
maghugas ng kamay. In this time po, dahil pinag-uusapan natin ay isang respiratory virus, it makes sense to wear a face mask. Kapag meron tayong totoong na nararamdaman, payagan nyo po na mag-sick leave para wag pong mapasa ang anumang virus na meron ng inyong empleyado.
The department also encourages the public to visit their official social media pages for accurate health information. William Theo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.